All right, hey, here are 4 low-cost ideas to get a better ROI when selling your home on this episode of Ryan in Real Estate. Hey, welcome back. Let me ask you to do me a favor real quick. Stop where you're at, hit that subscribe button, and also take the minute you can, not the minute, the second, to write a comment, send us a message, ask us questions, argue with me if you want, for crying out loud, but please do so. All right, here are 4 low-cost ideas for you to get a better ROI when you're actually selling your property. Look, it's gonna be simple. Number 1, painting. A fresh coat of paint is one of the easiest and most affordable home improvements that any homeowner can have to make a significant impact on the value of your home. A well-painted home gives a sense of cleanliness and liveliness and can be one of the biggest things you can do to actually lighten up your home. I'd also include painting your home's exterior and interior walls, doors, trim, or even the cabinets to give them a new look. Neutral is obviously the colors. I can give you some examples of some great colors to use, but you can also add a pop of color to make a room a little more vibrant and attractive. All right, number 2, landscaping. Curb appeal is huge. The exterior of your home is the first thing that potential buyers are going to see. So it is absolutely essential to make sure you put it off to a great first impression. Start by trimming those overgrown shrubs and trees, remove those weeds, bring in some nice colorful flowers and plants. You can also add a little decorative stone pavers, mulch to add some texture and create nice little garden spaces. But make sure you're doing this for the front and the back of your home. Number 3 low-cost idea is your big systems. Keep your big systems tuned up. We're talking roof, HVAC, water heaters. Listen, buyers are looking for a home that's move-in ready, and they want to avoid the headache of costly repairs or the replacements of these things. That's why if you keep your big systems in good working condition, this is going to be crucial to help you sell your home at a much higher value. So just regular maintenance of your roof, HVAC, water heaters, like have someone come in and do a tune-up. And any other major systems that you have, it's really going to help you avoid unexpected repairs when those inspection reports come on and create a prolonged lifetime of your appliances. So it also is going to help give those buyers a peace of mind when they go to purchase your home. Great R on that one. Number 4, fixtures. We're talking lighting, fans, doorknobs. Sounds simple, but upgrading your fixtures is an easy, it's a super affordable way to give your home the more modern and polished look that many buyers are looking for. So consider replacing like the outdated light fixtures that we see that are out there, the golds, and doorknobs, which is simple. And you can buy a lot of these at bulk, and you can find most of these at your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever it might be. If you don't know where to get one, ask me, I'll be glad to tell you. But buying them in bulk, and these fixtures are super easy to install for yourself, but these can really take and make a significant difference in the way these things look in your home. So my encouragement, do these 4 things and you should see a fantastic ROI for the money you spent on them. We'll see you next time on Ryan and Real Estate.